Now you'll love this one. Your success depends on you, only on you. This may seem like an abstract statement, but I intend the statement quite literally. You are in control of what happens to your business and no one else. Remember, you are your own boss as a photographer. There's no one watching over you, and there's no one watching what you do. This means that each and every day it's your responsibility to dedicate and motivate yourself, even if you don't feel like working. So very true. After you take your great photos, you'll need to retouch some of them. And when this chore is complete, you'll need to be a photo editor by choosing the best of the best of the best of your photos to put onto your website or put into a portfolio to show potential clients. You want to make a good impression by showing your best work. A key element, and this is where so many photographers fail, is promotion. You need to be a marketer. If you can become really, really good at self-promotion, which basically means marketing, then you will be on your way to success. Have you ever wondered why some photographers are successful and others who take better photos are not? Well, the answer is one photographer is good at marketing and the other photographer is not. If there's a secret to success, that's it: marketing. Potential clients must know that you and your photography exist, and simply having a website online isn't enough. You must promote yourself. And let me also add that self-motivation and determination play a key role to success as well. The good news is you can be as successful as you desire. You are in control. Keep a positive frame of mind, work doubly hard, and success will be yours.